Why do some guys always say she must get pregnant first before I pay her bride price? No, where do they get that from?
From the pit of hell.
Where do they get that from? That she must be pregnant first.
Now, do you know the annoying part? Most of these guys who have this mentality, it's low self-esteem that's causing it. They have this idiotic mentality. Are guys that have finished sleeping with somebody's daughter. The girl has finished having plenty of abortion for them. Now they are scared because they don't want to bear the consequences in their marriage. If you've destroyed somebody else's life and you think you want to try out the women, anyone that gets pregnant for you before you marry, brother, you will train somebody's child. Just have that one at the back of your mind. If you meet a woman
that is big.
Yes, now if you meet a woman that is desperate, she will carry somebody's child and come and give to you. You will train the child because you are desperate.
Thinking that the child is yours.
It's safer that when you are married, then the baby comes. At least you are sure that the baby is your own. That when you want the woman to be pregnant, and if the woman loves you and she doesn't want to lose you, and she's trying, maybe both of you are even trying, it's not working, she will go and get pregnant outside and come and give to you. And at 70 years, you realize that 4 children, maybe one is your own, or probably the 4 of them, they are not your own. That is where this issue of paternity issue test is
coming up.
When a man wants a woman to be pregnant before marriage, before you wed her, you've dated somebody for 6 years, and she has had 6 abortions for you, or 12 abortions. Then at the point of getting married to her, then you want her to be pregnant before you marry her, brother.
No, do you know
somebody's child?
Do you know the funny part? Sometimes it's not just the guys alone that are always like propagating this ugly phenomenon. The family of some persons. I know of a family that will always say, or I've heard of some that will always say, you cannot marry anybody until that person is pregnant for you first. Come on, I don't understand. Who has given them this mission? Who has given them this devilish idea that the person must be pregnant first before you marry the person? My friend, if in your family this is the do thing, or the way that they always practice it, be an exception to this. No, see, the truth is that someone can just wake up and say, this nonsense must end. Do you get? This nonsense must end. You decide your own fate yourself. You decide what you want yourself, not the idea of I have to feel it first. I have to know whether she's good or not. Or whether you know the funny part? It's even ladies that are even doing this more now. They will tell you that I cannot go and marry somewhere. I cannot go and get married to one guy that is not effective on bed. That I have to test it first. I have to know if the guy is.
That is for girls now. So,
yes.
So women will tell you they don't want to marry a man that the thing is big, or the thing is small, or the thing is I mean, I don't know the shape because I'm not supposed to know. The truth is that it's not the size, it's not the shape, it's not how
it's
how the person can use it that matters. But guys now, most guys is for they want the woman to be pregnant. Women now want the man to be able to perform. Until you can marry that man and he's good in performing. Marriage is a ball game altogether.
See,
when the stress of marriage comes on that man, you'll be surprised that the man that can stay 40 minutes will come down to 20 minutes.
20 minutes is even. Does anybody even stay 20 minutes?
I don't know how am I supposed to?
Serious. If you stay too long, it's just 10 minutes. What is that? When you have a lot of things in your head. See, now some guys these days they can use drugs, right? When they are dating, they can use drugs to perform. Sister, they can deceive you, thinking that this guy that is very very, this guy that is mockish, this guy that is tight, this guy that is hammering. When you now get in there, you now discover that will you be using drugs always when you are not married? No, now of course. The truth is that the more they use those drugs, complications start setting in.
Their lifespan
is reducing. Their lifespan is reducing. When they are not married, they will have to get rid of those drugs. And when they get rid of those drugs, those things you thought you were avoiding, they start showing for. The brother you thought is hammering it for 20 minutes. But I'll be hammering it for 2 minutes. Wahala don shele.
Don't allow the devil
No,
to make a mockery
never.
of you, of
Never.
your marriage.
Never.
Because a man that he wants your wife to be pregnant, she can be pregnant. After the wedding, miscarriage, the next 15 years, no issue.
No issue.
What
What will you do? You go and embrace transformer. You go fire.
Until the man that you want to stay for 25 minutes after marriage, he starts
It's now
saying
2 minutes.
something happens.
Uh-huh.
Because this life, the only thing that is constant
It's change.
Something now happens to his health that he cannot even perform again. So you will run out of the marriage.
Or you go and embrace transformer.
Allow
Go
God
ahead.
to play his part in your marriage. Be yourself. There are things that are more even important than this thing we are talking about.
Of course.
Marriage, there are
Of course.
things.
Of
You
course.
can have children, you don't have good health. You cannot enjoy that man. You cannot even enjoy that children. You have that man, you don't have money, you don't have peace of. See, collecting every day cannot give you joy. Cannot even make you happy in your marriage.
No matter how long you mark register every day, no matter how long you hammer it, it cannot give you joy.
For how long? A time will come.
A time will come, the ginger will not be there. The ginger will, when you are thinking of how to put one and two things together to like make it three, you'll not be thinking of who will help. You won't even think of that. It will not even. It's after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. You don't remember that guy. I've not visited Jerusalem for a long time. Do you understand? You've not visited that region. You've not marked register. But now it's the only thing in your head that if the guy is not good, if the guy is not hammering it well, if the guy is not, that you will not marry. You want.
If you not get better, you not marry.
Sister, are you a tester? That you want to test everything.
The truth is that it's the women that bear the brunt or the consequences of all this. As a woman, as a lady, know your worth. If you have a worth, no man can come to you and talk rubbish. I am serious. If you have worth, if you have worth, you know yourself. You know what you are made of. No man can walk up to you and tell that if you don't get pregnant, you will not marry. That man should go to hell.
You should go and embrace transformer.
That man is not your husband.
You should go and embrace transformer.
It means that if you marry that man and if you get pregnant, anything happens, you lose that baby, anything.
That marriage is dead.
That marriage is gone. In the first place, that marriage has never took place. Just have that at the back of your mind.
It was based on a condition.
The man did not marry you, married because of that.
Yeah, the marriage was based on a condition. And anything that is based on condition, you know now. It was based on a condition. Friends, the reason why we decide to bring this to you because this is happening on daily basis. We want to let young people out there understand. We want you to know that even those that are married, you should also tell your children. Let them know that they don't need to test whether the guy is good first before they say I do. Or the lady doesn't need to get pregnant first before you marry her. Because anything is possible. The only thing that is constant on earth is change. That guy you think is doing it well, it must be that guy because he is doing it well. Do you know what he's using to empower himself? You don't. Perhaps he's not even using anything to empower himself, as you said. Anything can happen. And if that now stops, and the guy that is running 40 minutes, 20 minutes before, is now running 2 minutes, you're not going to kill yourself. No, you won't. You won't. For that should not be a criteria. If you love the person, you understand this person, your heart tells you deep down there that this is the person. Why not go ahead? Instead of saying, I have to test this. How many will you test? And how many? You have to test Mr. A. You have to test Mr. B. You have to test Mr. C. At the verge of testing Mr. D, you are getting HIV. Yeah, because you are testing everything now. You don't need to. You don't need to. And if you've tested all of these things, you are causing more problem for yourself. Because when you are married, you now discover you are doing the thing with your wife. Your eyes are outside because the one useless girl you tested before, or you tasted. Let me use the word taste. you tasted before, you don't be thinking that one is better. Issue has started. Issue has started. You don't need it. You don't need it. Friends, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do that right away. Do that. We are counting on you to always bring in the best to you. I mean the best of the best. Please subscribe and let our ministry move to the, let us together move to the permanent side together. Thank you for watching, for we love you guys. And don't forget that God loves you the most. Do have a wonderful and a fruitful day.